Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if you've read and understood, considering it history taking station, please begin.
Okay. Good evening. I'm Dr. Pavani, one of the surgical doctors. May I confirm your name and age, please?
I am Lisa, 54 years old.
Okay, Lisa. Is it
Nice
okay
to
if I
meet
call
you.
you Lisa?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Yes, okay. It's nice meeting you. Today I've been asked to take a detailed question, asked to uh, take detailed scenario from your of your condition. Is that okay?
Yes, yes, doctor. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I'm here to help you. What happened to you?
Doctor, I lost consciousness a while ago, and also I'm having a lot of headache.
I'm so sorry about it. When where do you get the headache? Which place? In what
Uh,
place?
Over here, doctor.
Okay. You said you lost your consciousness. For how long you lost? Do you remember?
I don't remember, doctor.
Okay, that's all right. Can you tell me more detail about your headache? How can you tell me about the pain? What type of pain you get?
Uh, it is a very severe headache, doctor.
Okay.
Uh,
How does it start? Like all of a sudden, or it start
like it's
gradually?
it started suddenly, doctor.
Okay.
This happened once before. Now
Okay.
this is second time.
Okay.
But when it comes, it is very severe, doctor. I can't bear that pain.
I'm so sorry that if you are suffering such pain, lot of pain. Don't worry. I'm here to help you. Tell me that does the pain radiate anywhere? Does the pain
No,
go
doctor.
anywhere? No.
No, doctor.
Okay. Are there any things which increases the pain or decreases the pain? What makes you
No, doctor.
feel? Okay.
I think I took some tablets, doctor, but no improvement.
Okay. Do you need more painkiller now?
Yes, doctor. If you can give one.
Okay. I'll ask the examiner to get the painkiller. Do you want me to dim the light off or switch off the light? Are you comfortable with this?
Uh, yes, doctor. I think for now I'm comfortable.
Okay, thank you. Can you rate your pain scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the most worst pain and 1 is the least? How would you rate?
Doctor, it is very severe pain, doctor. 10.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Um, it must be very frustrating for you. Um, are you sure you don't want any painkiller? Oh, sorry,
He said yes.
so yes, sorry. Okay. Do you have any visual problems? Like, do you feel any blurry of the objects, or
No, doctor. No.
do you have any weakness in your body parts anywhere?
No, doctor.
Did you hit on your head or bang your head to the wall, or do you have any trauma?
No, doctor. I don't remember anything like that.
Have you lost your weight? Was there any unintentional weight loss?
I think no, doctor.
How is your health being recently?
Uh, it was I was doing okay, but here and there I have few fever and cold. But other than that, everything is was okay, doctor.
Okay, was there any rashes over your body? Did you notice any rash?
No, doctor. No, doctor.
Do you have any jaw pain or tooth problems?
No, doctor, no such things.
Okay, I would like to ask you some personal questions. Is that okay?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions like blood pressure, diabetes?
Doctor, I have a blood pressure for past 10 years.
Okay. And
Yes, that's and also once a while my doctor said I have some kidney disease also.
okay. Can you remember any medications are you taking for that?
No, doctor, no.
No, it's okay. That's all right. Uh, does your family, any of your family member have the similar complaints?
Yes, doctor. My aunt died suddenly. Like she had some problem in her brain.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. My sincere condolence to her. Are you allergic to any food or drugs?
No, doctor, no.
Okay. What do you do for living?
Doctor, I'm a truck driver.
Okay. Whom do you live with?
I live with my husband.
Okay. Is there any social stress for you? Do you
Mm,
feel any
no,
stress?
no, doctor, no.
Can you
Do
please
you
summarize your history now?
Okay, ma'am. Today I've took history from 54-year-old lady Lisa. She was brought to the A&E by her husband with loss of consciousness 2 hours ago and also complaining of headache in the right temporal region. This was her second episode. There is no visual problems, weakness in the limbs, no trauma, no fever. There was an episode of fever, and there is no significant weight loss, no shortness of breath, and she is a known case of polycystic kidney disease, and there is also a strong family history. Her aunt also suffered from the same, and she died with the aneurysm in the brain. And
Okay. This is the second episode you said. For the second
yes.
episode, patient has come to the hospital or a accident and emergency. What happened with the first episode? Why didn't the patient consulted for medical advice at that time?
Mm,
Okay.
no,
We'll get to this later. Please tell me, what is your provisional and differential diagnosis for this lady?
I would like to consider subarachnoid hemorrhage as
Yes.
my provisional diagnosis, and I would
Yes.
like also keep in mind about meningitis, encephalitis, migraine, and
Yes.
any brain tumors.
Okay. What management would you go for in order to help this lady?
If time permits, I would like to do the systemic review and also do the
Yes.
neurological examination.
Yes.
And I would like to take the blood for complete blood picture and erythrocyte sedimentation rate and C-reactive protein. And also, I would like to do the CT brain, contact the neurosurgeon in the meanwhile, and do CSF tapping.
Oh, okay. This has become little conflicting. CSF tapping. Okay. According to the, okay, how would you manage this patient?
I would like to manage the patient according to the ABC manner.
Yes.
If the patient is stable, then
She
I
is
would,
stable. She is talking to you. Now,
yes, ma'am.
what would be the next one step that you'll do?
Next step, first, I would inform to the neurosurgical unit, and in
All
the
right.
meanwhile, I would like to start the IV fluids, and
Yes.
I would like to give oral nimodipine 60 mg every 4 hourly, and also laxatives.
Okay. What's
And
the role of nimodipine?
it's a calcium channel blocker, ma'am. It
Blocker.
acts as
Yes.
a vasospasm to reduce the blood flow to the brain.
Yes. All right. Okay. Then what would be your next step?
Next step, according to the CT findings, would
Yes,
like to
then will
proceed.
be the investigations that you will
Yes.
order, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
after investigations, you'll discuss it in neurovascular
Yes.
MDT,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And then treatment will be decided later on. Good.